In this video, I will show you 5 simple exercises for beginners that will help you burn excess fat around the belly and strengthen your abs. Thank you for your support and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my videos.
Cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now. 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 You cashed in on my promises. You know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out. 'Cause I'm done. beam lights paint the skies, all because of you.
Thank you everyone one more time for staying with me until the end of this video. And before we close, I say something. I know many persons, they told me, or I have heard them, they told me why I can't lose my fat belly, or why I am like this, or why I can do abs, why I can have muscles here. So the secret is we don't eat healthy. They don't eat healthy, so they never do abs or muscle here. And secondly, we must do systematical exercise. They show the videos on the internet or the YouTube and they say, oh, that is the same with someone other, or that don't have results, is something simple. If I do this, I never have this. I never have like this. This is not true. If you do the exercises almost every day, you will see perfect results, I promise. So the secret is to health food and systematical exercises. If you don't do that, you're never going to have the body you want. Thank you again one more time. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because with this way you help me very lot to continue this. I wait your comments below and I hope I will see you next time.